So we are solving question from GATE 2017 electronics branch, and it says that a 3D region R of finite volume, a 3D region R of finite volume is described by x square plus y square is less than or equal to z cube for, and value of z is between 0 and 1, and x, y and z are real. So we have to find the volume of R. So volume is given by, this is the notation for volume. Volume is the triple integral of dx, dy and dz. Volume is the integral of dx, dy and dz. So first I am integrating with respect to y, and the limits are from z equal to 0 to 1. Z value is from 0 to 1. Then y square is equal to z cube minus x square. So y will be equal to z cube minus x square, and positive and negative both the signs. So the limit for y is from plus minus. The limit for y will be from plus minus. First we will take the minus sign, under root minus under root of z cube minus x square, and the second limit for y will be, here we can write y is equal to from minus z cube minus x square to plus z cube minus x square. And if the limit for y is this, then the limit for x will be x square is equal to z cube. So x will be from, we have to find the limit for x. So x square will be from under root of z cube plus and minus, plus minus z cube. So first limit we will take it as z cube or z to power 3 by 2, and second limit will be as z to power plus 3 by 2. So these are the three limits. These are the three limits. So I am writing it here. Z is equal to 0 to 1. X is from minus z to power 3 by 2 to plus z to power 3 by 2, and y is from and minus of root of z cube minus x square to plus of z cube minus x square. So dx, dy and dz. So volume will be equal to, I am writing by V, z limit for x and y is from minus under root of z cube minus x square is the lower limit, and under root of z cube minus x square is the upper limit for y, and dx and dz. So if we put the limits, then volume will be equal to integral z integral x, and it will be 2 integral of z cube minus x square dx. Dx is outside the square root, dx and dz. So first we integrated with respect to y, because y was the outside limit. So when we integrate with respect to y, then we get volume is equal to integral of z integral of x to integral of z cube minus x square dx dz. So now there is a formula that integral of a square minus x square under root of a square minus x square is x under root of a square minus x square by 2 plus sine inverse of x a by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x upon a. This is the integral. If I am integrating with respect to dx, then this is the answer for the integral of under root of a square minus x square dx. It is equal to x under root of a square minus x square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x by a. So, and obviously the constant for integration. So here what we are integrating is integrating x. So a square is equal to z cube here. So if I write volume will be equal to integral of x, integral of x from minus z cube by 2 to plus z cube by 2, and 2 will come outside. So this will be equal to x under root of z cube minus x square by 2 plus a square is z cube, so z cube by 2 and sine inverse of x upon z2 power 3 by 2 plus c. So we do not need to write c here because we are doing definite integral. So this 2 will cancel these two 2's. So this is the this will be the step when we put this formula. So now we can just apply the limits. So the lower limit for x is minus z cube by 2. So integral of z from 0 to 1, integral of x from minus z cube by 2 to plus z cube by 2, and if you put x is equal to z cube by 2 and minus z cube by 2 here, then you will get 0. Then you will get 0. So if you put x equal to z2 power 3 by 2 here, then this will also become z cube and z cube minus z cube will become 0. So we will apply this like here. So z cube, so this will be equal to sine inverse of, now if you put x equal to z2 power 3 by 2, so z2 power 3 by 2 upon z2 power 3 by 2 will become 1. So sine inverse 1. Now when we apply the lower limit, then again when we apply the lower limit, then minus z2 power 3 by 2, and if you square it then it will become z cube, so this will be 0. So the lower limit again will be minus of 0 minus z cube sine inverse of, now x is minus z2 power 3 by 2 minus z2 power 3 by 2 upon z2 power 3 by 2. So this will be minus 1. So sine inverse of minus 1. So volume will be equal to integral of z from 0 to 1 and z cube. Now sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Plus z cube sine inverse of minus 1 plus z cube sine inverse of minus 1. So sine inverse of minus 1 is also pi by 2. So this will also be equal to z cube into pi by 2. So volume will be equal to, and dz is here, dz and dz, because we still have to integrate with respect to z. So volume will be equal to integral of, so we can take pi by 2 common. So integral of z to power 3, and z is from 0 to 1. So z to power 3 will be z to power 4 by 4. So z to power 4 by 4 plus z to power 4 by 4. Z is from 0 to 1. So this will be equal to pi by 2 into, if you put the limit, then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it will be equal to 1 by 2. So volume will be equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the correct answer. So this was the triple integral. This was the question based on triple integral, and you must remember this formula. This is a very important formula for finding the value of integral when the integral is in the form of like this: integral of a square under root of a square minus x square dx. So this integral is equal to x under root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x upon a plus c. So must remember this formula. This formula will be used in many integrations in GATE exam. So, and just know how to put the limits. So y, first we put the limit for y, then we put the limit for x, then limit for z is given in the question from 0 to 1. So in this way we can easily solve this question. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I have made this channel only to help the students who cannot afford technical education. So I want to provide quality technical education. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.